Welcome back. Pune police have arrested one person in 2 ATM thefts and petrol pump theft cases at Usgaon Tisk. Person by name Chandra Singh Rajput was arrested following his identification on a CCTV footage. Meanwhile, police have arrested 4 more suspects in a house-breaking theft case at Kapileshwari.
He is the accused Chandra Singh Rajput, arrested in ATM breaking theft cases at Usgaon Tisk. He has confessed his offence.
एक चोर आमच्या LIB स्टाफान आयडेंटिफाय केला आणि विथिन 2 आवर्स तेका फोंड्या जालो. सो त्याने ऑफेन्स कन्फेस केले. बाकी ह्या चोरये बद्दल आमी 4 संशयित हाडल्या अजून इंट्रोगेशन करता त्यांचे. सो फुडें त्याच्या इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा.
In house-breaking theft on Sunday, gold worth 13 lakhs was robbed. Police have arrested 4 suspects involved in this case. The renovation of the house was on. Suspects were working as labourers with the contractor.
Kapileshwari, ते एका कृष्णा नाईक यांच्या बंगल्याच्या फाटल्या रुमान ग्रिल्स काढून भितर एंट्री केली चोरांनी आणि भांगार 13 लाखाचे चोरले. त्याच्या साडीच्या बंगल्यारी मातशे अटेम्प्ट केला तेंच्यांनी.
Further investigation in the case is on. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Now news from sports. Salgaocar Football Club and Air India played out a 1-on-1 draw in I-League in Pune on Tuesday evening. The Green Brigade had defeated the Airmen in a home match but could not repeat the result in a return fixture.
Doling out the orders rather than the captain Mickey Fernandez as the referee waits. David Booth, 64-year-old Englishman. Played at Barnsley and Grimsby, managed at Grimsby and Darlington. Pretty much seen it all before, but critical in the build-up to this game about the strength of his squad. Saying out of 41 players on the books, there are only 15 who can cut it at I-League level. So we've only got 2 strikers as well. Unfamiliar territory for Salgaocar, usually fighting at the top end of the I-League. As we kick off, Air India in the all-red, kicking from left to right against the men in green. Always a good night, you feel, at the Balawadi Sports Complex in Pune, especially under the light. It's played wide, neatly to Elijah Jr. Looking for Henry Azay. Dropped on the left foot, and it's an absolutely cracking opening goal for Air India. What a finish it was. An absolute peach from Vijay Shetty. Dropped on the left foot, and he absolutely buried it. What a start for the Airmen, and what a goal. Well, they have looked lively. It was Junior on the far side. He was looking for his strike partner, but when it fell on the left, Quinton Jacobs will swing it in. Keeper comes again, it's got absolutely nowhere near it. That's the chink in the armour, there's no question about it. He's got to put a bit of pressure on him. Here's another chance to load it, and it's a wonderful goal as well. What an absolute cracker. Well, we've been treated to 2 absolute beauties. Francis Fernandez it was, steadied himself and nonchalantly curled it in. Maybe this one now, real good opportunity for Mascarenas, good save though by Jagroup. Got the ball, Mascarenas felt the tackle, is Fernandez on the right foot, good save again by Jagroup.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.